At Groundworks, our heroes don't wear capes. They don't have swords, nor fly to their destinations. They work hard to protect, repair, and improve the homes in our communities. Heroes many times go unrecognized, but today we honor our heroes.
So back in 2020, when we partnered with Cortec, we showed them what our 5-year projections would be. Well, we achieved that goal in 2 years.
It was an incredible team effort, particularly during that 2020-21 period. And what the Groundworks tribe managed to pull together was just incredibly impressive.
And as we thought about where we're going to go for the future, we thought, what does that future look like? What's the next chapter for our business? And I decided to start talking to some potential financial partners. But one really stuck out to me, and that was KKR.
KKR has been following Groundworks for many years. It's rare to find companies that have the genuine focus on growing and building the nation's tradesmen and tradeswomen. That is one of the things that really sets Groundworks apart from everyone else in the industry.
The reason we picked KKR as our partner, of course, endless resources, one of the largest private equity firms in the world, but ultimately, we decided to pick them because of their belief in deep employee ownership.
We have very similar culture and values. We have a hyper-growth mindset, and we're both focused on empowering our people.
So when I started the company back in 2016, I had this belief. We gave out shares to our managers. When we were able to partner with Cortec, we broadened that pool, and we broadened who was going to be owners as a part of the company. Our partnership with KKR would do something that's never been done before in home services. Never been done at this depth and level in blue-collar skilled trades. So this partnership will allow us to give equity and ownership to every employee at Groundworks.
And really just continuing to honor tradesmen and tradeswomen of this nation.
They're the real heroes. They're the ones out there in the cold and the snow and the rain and the heat. They're the ones doing the hard work of building this company. And we believe the blue-collar men and women that drive this company should be owners.
It's a partnership for Cortec, it's a partnership for Groundworks, because we believe in Groundworks' future. We believe in Groundworks' future because of the management, because of the tribe, and because of the capital and strength that Cortec and KKR bring together to take the business across the country.
This partnership, it's not about private equity. It's not about numbers. It's about our people. It's about the belief that as a company grows, that people that build that growth are rewarded. And those rewards are shared with their families.
Today, we grow stronger. Today, we honor our blue-collar heroes. Today, our heroes become owners.